Everyone, so this is my Christmas gift for you all, or at least my digital Christmas gift. So I will show you how to create a single page application using uh, Tailwind and Alpine.js. In Alpine.js, and I will ask the AI to use template tag, and I will ask it to create a very simple to do app. So this is all we need to start. Oh, so I will stop here. I will stop here and edit my request. So I very simple to do app in English, so we can understand. We could change the language later, but just to save time, I will ask this. We'll ask the AI to do it in English. So here it is. So while it thinks, and it's very advisable and very nice to see and to read the line of thought of the AI, I will explain my line of thought for you all and how I got into this stack. Uh, Tailwind saves a lot of CSS lines of code, and Alpine saves a lot of JS lines of code. Both of them, they don't need local uh, compiling or transpiling. You don't need to install Node just to test and copy paste from AI to your local environment and see if it's working, see if it breaks. Especially when all you want is to create a simple proof of concept. So it thought for 70 seconds, 1 minute and 10 seconds. So the style tag is minimum due to Tailwind, and here it is creating the structure, the HTML structure, which is the body, literally the body of the app. And now it's using Tailwind to style our app. So it's saving a lot of lines of code. And when it comes to AI, lines of code or characters, they are literally money, because they represent or they expand tokens, and the tokens are the most valuable asset when it comes to AI engineering. So now it is creating the logic of the app using a Alpine to save us a lot of lines of code. So it creates simple tasks, which is okay, not necessary, but it's nice. So we can preview. So you can see the amount of line of code is minimal. So with most AI tools has this review or run button. DeepSeek 3 and has it too. And here are the sample tasks. And it is not just a screen. It is a functional app, or at least it should be. And this is what we will test now. I will create the new task. I will add this task. So it went to the bottom of the line. We can change the order later, or add a order button here, or sort button there. So now we created, we are reading. So the read is done. And now we will update this, and the update's broken. Now I will remove the thing and will ask this to fix the update feature, the task update feature, not using the thing because it tends to overthink. Mm, so this is a nice trick too, especially when you are using DeepSeek. Know how to turn on and turn off the deep think. So to start the app, the deep think is a very useful tool. But to change the app, You don't always need to use it. We can hope that the normal mode will do what we need it to do. So it's writing, rewriting the whole app right in front of our eyes. Meanwhile, we can see what it did or how it did. So we can also test some other features. So the clear completed work, mark all as completed work, remove work. So mark all complete and clear completed work. So only the update feature was broken. Let me test the new test. So edit doesn't work. So let's see how it dealt with that. Test the application. Again, it is broken. Still broken. Now we will use the editing to check and fix the CRUD. So now we are using the big guns here. So it is thinking and thinking and showing the line of thought. So let's review the current implementation. Read, update. The two okay. There are two update operations. Toggling completion, that's done by the to do completed, and the change to do status. However, note that X model already updates the to do completed properly. The function is just for consistency. If we want something else to change, uh, and if we want something else to change, adding T, this is done by opening a modal. When the save edit updates, delete. Okay. However, note that the previous fix we changed the delete function to use the to do ID. Da, 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 da. Let's check the edit. Okay, fixed crud. Da, da, da. So it's writing the body, the structure. So, but let me check the conclusion. However, the update to the self is redundant because we are already using X model on the checkbox. We can remove the change on the checkbox. Since we are using X model for checkbox, we don't need to change the update status. So now it's rewriting the logic with the fix, different operations, the update modal. I don't think modal is a good approach. I think it's overkill. But let's see if it works now. It changed the style a little. So new task. So it added the new task, and again it broke. I think the problem is the modal. So I will ask, don't use modal. Use inline editing. No, down, don't. Use inline editing. I think the modal is the issue. So here we go again. Again, it is writing, rewriting everything. Meanwhile, we can test this new version. So we can see the filters, all tests, complete all, clear done. So it confirms. So I add the new uh, task test. Uh, try to edit, fail, and mark as completed, incomplete, and delete. it shows a pop-up and no tasks yet, so it is okay. So to do master. So again, it's rewriting everything. So it, now with the footer, with CSS, la 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 la. So the delete is doing the CRUD all over. Okay, it finished. Now let us test. So simple test there, tasks there, and test. Here, here it is. I let me be more careful. New test task edited. So here it is. Save. Oh, now it's working. Mark as completed and delete. Confirm. The whole growth cycle is working. So this is my video for you all. So in this video, we saw how to create, how to fix issues, how to identify the issues and how to fix them. And well, another tip is to use the AI itself to learn. For example, uh, if you don't know anything here, let's search for something like the X model. I can ask the AI itself to explain X model. No, I don't need the thing for that. Turning off. Explain. Like I am 5, which is a great age for learning. Oh, the thing is on again. I didn't turn off. So here it is. Send. I want a fast explanation. Okay, X model, explain like you are 5. Imagine you have a magic box, a toy car, yada yada yada, and the explanation. And this is it, guys. This was my Christmas gift for you all. If you like, if you disliked, if you have any question, any doubt, uh, please share it. I'm eager to hear you all. And next year, my plan is to post more videos like that within these themes, front end, AI, and everything new that's coming. And the future is bright, and I want all of you with me in this bright future ahead of us. This is it. Bye bye.